Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha with yeast. Brewing your own kombucha is a rewarding and straightforward process, allowing you to create a refreshing, fizzy drink right in your kitchen. We will cover everything from gathering your supplies to enjoying your finished brew. The yeast component, naturally present in your SCOBY, is vital for converting sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide, giving kombucha its characteristic tang and effervescence. Let's get started on this exciting journey. To begin your kombucha brewing adventure, you will need a few key items. First, a healthy SCOBY, which is your symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. You will also need about 8 cups of filtered water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 to 6 black tea bags. For equipment, a 1-gallon glass jar is ideal, along with a breathable cloth cover and a rubber band to secure it. Remember, cleanliness is paramount to prevent unwanted mold. The first fermentation is where the magic happens. Start by brewing your tea in about 4 cups of hot water, then stir in the 1 cup of sugar until it fully dissolves. Let this sweet tea cool completely to room temperature. This is crucial to protect your SCOBY. Once cool, pour it into your 1-gallon jar, add the remaining 4 cups of filtered water, and gently place your SCOBY and 1 to 2 cups of starter liquid inside. Cover it and let it ferment for 7 to 10 days. After the first fermentation, it is time for the exciting second fermentation, where you add flavor and carbonation. Carefully remove your SCOBY and about 2 cups of the fermented kombucha to use as starter for your next batch. Pour the remaining kombucha into airtight bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Now, get creative. Add your favorite fruits, juices, or spices. Seal the bottles and let them sit at room temperature for 2 to 5 days to develop that wonderful fizz.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.